In this video, we will guide you through how to model in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox Studio and create a new baseplate project or load into your game. Now, before we start modeling, it's a good idea to add a reference character so you can understand the scale. Now, just go to the Avatar tab at the top, and from here, just select the option for character. From here, you can choose your rig type, and I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the R15 type and add a block avatar. This helps you make sure your models are the correct size for players. Now, let's start with the basics. In this video, we are going to make a simple table, and now to make a table or something similar to that, you can just go ahead and go to the home tab and click on the part, just like so, and you will see now a part will be successfully added. This is the main building element in Roblox Studio. Now let's go over the main tools that you will use while modeling. Now the first one is move tool. This lets you move your parts in different axes, just like so. You can move it around X, Y, and Z axis. You will see the arrows in the part, and you can drag it them and position your object exactly where you want. The next one is scale tool. This allows you to resize your part, and you can just drag the handle and stretch it, just like so. You can shrink the object along different axes, and this is how you shape your model. Then we have rotate tool. This lets you rotate your part in different direction. You can use this to angle object or align them properly. Now the last one is going to be the transform tool, which combine move, scale, and rotate into one tool. This is useful when you want to quickly adjust the part without switching tools. Now let's demonstrate modeling. We are going to create a simple table. Now just take your first part and first align it to your liking. So I'll just align it so it just touches the ground, just like so. And once that it is in the ground, I'm just gonna go ahead and make the legs for the table first. So I'll just click on scale and scale it to my liking. And once that I have scaled it, I can now just go ahead and extrude it by dragging the green handles. So I'll just do that, and I can use the reference point from the character. So to make a table, I'll just make it a little smaller than the character, just like so. And once that you have done that, you can go to the properties panel at the right hand side, or if it is not enabled, just go to the home tab and click on properties to enable it, and just select your part. And now just go ahead and scroll down until you find anchored, and make sure anchored is toggled on, just like so. Anchored means the part is locked in place and won't fall due to gravity. This is very important while building. Now you can just go ahead and choose the color. So let's say I want to go with a bit brownish color, so I'll just select some brownish color, just like so, and click on OK. Now you can just press Control D on the keyboard to duplicate it, and use the move tool, just like so, and move it outside, just like so. And once that you are happy with that, you can just go ahead and select both of them by pressing the shift key on the keyboard, and make sure they are properly aligned. And once that you have done that, just press Control D on the keyboard to duplicate both of them, and now just extract it, like so, and it will be successfully extracted. And now just select one of your legs, just like so, and press Control D to duplicate it. Use the scale tool and scale it, just like so. And now you can just go ahead and extract it. And once you have done that, just extract it the another way. And you can see we have successfully created a simple table. So now we can just go ahead and select our table, just like so, and just right click on them and this group as model. And you will see it will be successfully grouped as model. You can also go ahead and publish this to Roblox. So just right click on your model, and from here just go to save and export and click on save to Roblox. From here you can give your model a name like table and add a description and choose the asset category type, which is gonna be model. So if you don't see the publish button, Let's go ahead and resize this window just like so and click on save. And it will be successfully saved to your Roblox. So let's say I want to add a hole in this particular part. So I'll just first add a part and scale it to my liking. So let's say I want to make a particular hole in this part. So I'll just add another part. Let's say I want to add a circular hole. So I'll just add a cylinder and resize my cylinder to a liking. And once that I have done that, I can just go ahead and intersect it. So I'll just use the move tool. And let's say I want to make a hole just around here. So once that I have done that, make sure you make it full. So I'll just drag it just like so. And once they are intersected, just go ahead and select the first part that you want to make the circles. So let's say I want to make a circular hole. So just select the first part that you want to cut the shape. So I want to cut a circular hole. So I'll just select the circle and go to negate. And once that I have done that, just select both of your models just like so and choose to union. And you will see now we have successfully cut a hole through our object in Roblox Studio. And that's it. So by using move, scale, rotate, transform along with anchoring, duplicating and combining parts, if you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.